what you're feeling is the vibe. About to make a drink and wanna race it to the tribe. Minutes is the time when I'm drinking in the ride. No selling sense, so I join the tribe. Enough said. Never see me cause I'm racing against the time. Wanna hear you scream. It's my ride.
Significant role. And I say this, I've said this many times, they're like the थाना of the police system. आदमी को शिकायत होगी वो सबसे पहले थाने पे जाए. अगर थाना जर्जर है, टूटा फूटा है, भ्रष्ट लोग बैठे हैं थाने पे सेवाएं जनता को नहीं मिल रही, आदमी कहेगा अरे ये पूरा सिस्टम बेकार है. Similarly, on the skilling side in our ecosystem, that is one most important grassroots initiative that we have undertaken, and it has a long history. Yes, some of them are old, but now we have a mandate. The budget gave us a mandate. It said 1,000 ITIs. I don't remember any budget in our country even spoke about ITIs in the budget speech. So 1,000 ITIs are to be upgraded. And we are looking at the feedstock for the ITIs. We're looking at where the instructor is going to come from. So you can't just do ITIs. You have to do NSTS. So it's a combined approach. And the philosophy is that the states have to come on. और सरकारी संपत्ति सरकार चलाएगी नहीं, जैसे हमारे असम के दोस्त कह रहे हैं. अलग अलग मॉडल हो सकते हैं. पीपीपी आप सोचिए, जमीन आपकी है, बिल्डिंग आपकी है, पुराना है, रेट्रोफिट कीजिए, करिकुलम इंडस्ट्री वाला बनाना चाहते हैं, इक्विपमेंट देना चाहते हैं, अपने कोर्सेज डिजाइन करना चाहते हैं, दैट कंप्लीट फ्रीडम एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज ऑन ऑफर. देयर इज अनदर अप्रोच बिकॉज माय sensitization to how Ministry of Education works that I will just offer up. That is how Kendriya Vidyalayas are formed in project mode. Unemployment issue is also going to be impacted by the state of the economy. How vibrant the ecosystem here is, encouraging investment into industries which are not as much capital intensive as much as labor intensive and employment generating. So one aspect of course is skill, because इंडस्ट्री यही कहती है कि अगर हम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो पहले हमें वहाँ उस वर्कफोर्स में विश्वास हम कर सकें कि वो काम करने लायक है. तो इसलिए इनोवेशन हुआ, आज काफ़ी चर्चा हुई, खुल के संवाद हुआ, अच्छे सजेशंस मिले, हमने सेंट्रल स्कीम्स के बारे में बताया, स्टेट्स जो कर रही हैं अपने प्रयास उसके बारे में जानकारी मिली, और एक चीज़ों को ब्रॉड बेस करने में हमें बहुत मदद मिली. नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग हमेशा ये कहते थे कि जो इससे पूर्व की सरकारें होती थी उनमें सुनवाई नहीं होती थी नॉर्थ ईस्ट की, जो यहाँ राज्य की आवश्यकता है उनकी सुनवाई केंद्र की सरकार नहीं करती थी. तो आज मैं सुनने ही आया हूँ.
So what will be your immediate implementation?
And their aspirational projects. One of them is refashioning our ITI system. As you know, in the whole country there's more than 15,000 ITIs. Large number of them are from private, but more than 3,000 are government ITIs. So it is incumbent on the central government, on the states to work together, because some of them require investment in equipment, some of them require infrastructure upgradation, some of them require industry onboarding, new curriculum, new equipment. So all of those projects we are now working with the states, we're working with industry partners to understand how we implement that skill. And today a lot of good, credible suggestions were made that states, especially from Northeast, should be given priority and freedom.